Hello, everybody. Sorry about that weird intro. Had some odd technical difficulties, but yeah. Yeah. Sorry for the late start and stuff like that. So today we're going to be talking about video embeds and custom domains in Wave.video. Yeah, so I'm gonna get into this kind of quickly. But I'm just gonna explain how custom domains and embed links work, or video embeds for your websites work. I think a bit ago someone had a question about that in one of my chats for the stream. So we're just gonna go over that today. Hopefully everyone's having a great day. I'm Andrew Sandals, and yeah, we're gonna get right into this. Okay, so before we start, something to keep in mind if you want to follow along with me, whether you want to do a video embed or a custom domain. If you're using a custom domain, you should open up your domain provider. So we're going to be kind of going through how GoDaddy works, but they're pretty much all the same. And for embed links, I mean, most people who are using embed links know what they are, but yeah, just like have your website editor open and stuff like that. So, excuse me, as well as Wave. So we're going to switch over to here. And yeah, we're going to talk about how to use embed links and custom domains. So today we're going to use this last video I made in the last stream. So what you're going to go here is you're going to go to your projects. You want to click on the three dots in your project. Normally you want people to edit video, but we're actually going to click this embed link. And it's going to bring us up to a completely separate page. So a lot of people are asking, oh, how do I use embed links and things like that? Of course, if anyone has any questions, please ask them. But it's really simple. So what we're going to do here is if you want to use an embed link, you're going to want to enable embed links and also want to make sure your video is polished and rendered. And yeah, so you just want to turn on embed links. You can have a fixed size or you want it to be responsive for your website. And you just have to copy the code and add it to your website code. Yeah, on your editor or whatever you use to create your websites. Using it, this is HTML, of course. Yeah, it's pretty simple. You just copy and paste this code and throw it in there. Really easy to do and not too complicated. Yeah. Next, we're going to go over to custom domain. Custom domain has some directions here, but I understand a lot of people are unfamiliar with it, new to websites, stuff like that. So I have a little, I'm going to show you guys how to do it, at least through GoDaddy. Again, it's very, very similar. Any management service, there's, lists here. But what we're going to do is I have some slides here to present and talking about it. So here we have our GoDaddy. We're going to go to our business. Here's jzox.com. What we're going to do here, you're going to go to your domain. Should be on your dashboard or whatever it is you use for your service. It's really easy. All you want to do is you want to go and find manage your DNS. I had to blur out a lot here for security reasons, if anyone's wondering. And then you're going to go and you're going to add a new record. So up top here, as you see, there's add a new record. And you want to add the type as CNAME, and that's really important. So you can embed your video or add it to your domain as a website. And you want to do name as videos, and then the data as custom.wave.video. Okay. And so from there, what we're going to do, you're going to go back. After you've done all this through your provider, you're going to go back to your custom domain, and you're going to enter it. So in this case, the name was videos, and my domain is jzox.com. So I'm going to do videos.jzox.com, and you're just going to add new domain. Doesn't work because we removed it on our own domain. But yeah, so you want to check your, here it says check your CNAME. But so when you do add it, it will say verifying, and verifying, it's really kind of up to your provider. Usually with today, it's super easy and it will add super quickly with the domain you have. And yeah, you can take a couple minutes, or it can take up to like 2 days sometimes. So it just really depends. It sometimes is kind of random, to be completely honest, when using domains and things like that. But we'll say verifying, right? We'll let you know, and then verified, which means your domain is finally ready to use. Again, it's really easy, right? So my website name was jzox.com, and as you see here, I had my name as videos. You can add whatever name you want. Just something easy, but mind you, when I say the name can be whatever you want, it can. Data has to be custom, that Wave.video, and CNAME. So what we're going to do here is, again, you want to do videos.jzox.com. And then you added your domain. Like I said, we have it removed. I can actually show you this error message in case you're interested. Say, hey, maybe I did it wrong. If you did it wrong, probably like that. But again, we don't have it. It doesn't exist. So yeah, that's kind of about it for today. It's a short stream. If you have any questions, let me know. I mean, yeah, it's super simple, really easy to use, and Wave really streamlines the whole process. Yeah, again, so just embed here, inline responsive. You add it to your HTML code, custom domain, very similar. Yeah, a lot of you probably won't have much of a use for this, but for the few that do, you're probably gonna do this. But it's always good to know, always good to have something to talk about it. But yeah, so I'm gonna wait a minute or two for anyone to ask any questions, and then we're just gonna end the stream. So really short, guys. Hopefully you guys had a great day. Yeah, that's all I have to say. And again, sorry about that intro. Had some technical difficulties on my end. Yeah, Creatives Cafe. Good afternoon from Riverdale, Maryland. Yeah. Hopefully it's nice and sunny over there. Hopefully everyone's safe after all these crazy hurricanes and tropical storms you've been having. But yeah. Doesn't really seem like we have any questions. Yeah. All right. Well, thank you so much for joining me today, guys. Hopefully I helped clarify anything or made you guys' lives a little easier using Wave. Yeah, I hope you guys have a great day. I'll see you next Friday. All right. Bye-bye, guys.